Okay, welcome back. So this is the output of the program. We have solved initial value problem with right hand side as x by y with the help of ODE45 solver. If you just replace this solver with some other solver, then you could again have some output. But you must know which solver to apply in what circumstances. Please open your MATLAB and solve some problems replacing this right hand side with some other functions. Okay, if you remember, we have computed the exact solution of this problem. What was that exact solution?
1 plus x under root, sir.
1 plus x square or square root. So if I ask you to plot the exact solution as well to see where is the graph of exact solution and what is the difference between the two. So we need to compute the exact solution with the help of MATLAB. So this is another function g, which is a function of x, that is square root of x squared plus 1. This is exact solution. Now we have to plot this exact solution in the same window. So I need to compute this exact solution at different values of x. So x exact, these are the values of x where I want to compute this function g. So we have solved numerically from 0 to 0.3. So I am computing this exact solution again from 0 to 0.3 with a gap of 0.01. Yes?
सर ये आप सारा काम कमांड विंडो में कर रहे हैं या प्रोग्राम लिख रहे हैं?
ये प्रोग्राम दिखा रहा हूँ.
ठीक है सर, मैं वो लिखने लगी थी तो मैं उसलिए. Script file, sir.
Screen?
Yes, sir.
So this is the exact solution. I have uncommented this. पहले मैंने ये सारा कमेंट कर दिया था कि आपको ये बताने के लिए कि actually we have only 3 lines for this OD45 solver. अब हम बाकी जो कुछ कर रहे हैं वो अपनी वो फर्दर रिक्वायरमेंट्स को डील कर रहे हैं. यहाँ पे प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व हो गया था. We have plotted the solution as well. अब हम फर्दर रिक्वायरमेंट क्या है कि हम एग्जैक्ट सोल्यूशन भी कंप्यूट करें, उसका भी प्लॉट बनाएं. तो उसके लिए हमें वो जो एग्जैक्ट फंक्शन था, एग्जैक्ट सोल्यूशन था x स्क्वायर plus 1. This was the exact analytical solution. So I need to define this function in MATLAB as well, which is square root of x squared plus 1, which is a function of x. So g at x means this is the function of x variable, and this is expression. अगर आपने इसको एग्जैक्ट सोल्यूशन को भी प्लॉट करना है, you need numeric data. So we are computing this numeric data in the next lines. First we give the values of x and then we compute the exact value of y exact, which is compute g function at the values of x. These are values of x, ये जो मैंने इससे ऊपर वाली लाइन में डिफाइन की. Now we can plot both the solutions. X exact, y exact with black color, and x and y, this is numerical solution y, जो कि पहले compute हुआ. If I compile now, you will see we have two curves.
और वो सेम कर्व्स हैं, ओवरलैप कर रही हैं.
Overlap कर रही हैं. If I use different colors to see the difference, plot x, y, this is the exact solution. I plot this in red कर लेते हैं R, और वो सर्कल्स के साथ था तो इसको let me write D for diamond. Let me add two further commands so that we can always clear the screen and then always clear the memory and then close all figures that was from previous run. ये कुछ स्टैंडर्ड कमांड्स हैं, ये आप हर प्रोग्राम में करते हैं, इससे ज़रा आसानी होती है, वो फिगर्स दोबारा ऑटोमेटिकली ओपन हो जाती हैं. Okay, I think we don't need this plot. And change the color, red. Okay, now we have two curves. The black curve is the exact solution and this red curve with circles, this is the numerical solution. ये numerical solution क्यों है जी, कौन बताएगा? Why I'm saying this is numerical solution?
सर उसने आइट्रेशंस करके सॉल्व किया होगा
ये
OD45
OD45 से जो solution आ रहा है वो ये है y, ठीक है? So this is your numerical solution. और ये जो यहाँ पे y exact आ रहा है वो यहाँ से आ
ये
रहा
हम
है.
लोगों ने जो एग्जैक्ट सॉल्व किया था.
आप चाहे तो पोजीशन चेंज कर सकते हैं, पहले वो लिख दें numerical and then it doesn't matter. So you see the accuracy of OD45 को exactly overlap कर रहा है इस solution के साथ. इसके बाद further post processing की commands हैं, वो मैंने पहले इसलिए कमेंट की हुई हैं. I wanted to show this is just one line OD45 and you can solve the problem. इसके बाद जो कुछ हम कर रहे हैं वो simply किस लिए कर रहे हैं कि प्लॉट्स आ जाएं, बाकी चीज़ें आ जाएं. अब लेबलिंग है, एक्स लेबल है, वाई लेबल है, लेजेंड कर दें. पहला एग्जैक्ट सोल्यूशन था, दूसरा जो है वो OD45 का सोल्यूशन है. इफ यू वांट मेक दिस ग्रिड ऑन देन ग्रिड ऑन हो जाएगी. नाउ यू सी दिस लेबल एक्स, दिस इज वाई एक्सिस, एनालिटिकल इज द black solid line and these circles represent ODE45 solution. So X label if you could write like time, Y label like population, it depends what are your variable. Then again you run this, you see the change. What you see here?
Yes, sir.
Now at x-axis time,
Time.
here is the population and these are the legends. Analytical solution is this and ODE45 is this. So this is how you can use some built-in solver within the MATLAB. Give the function and then call the solver. If you know the exact solution, generate that exact solution as well, plot that as well, and make some x-axis, y-axis labels and legends, then you are done. But the actual task was completed with just giving a function and a function call. This is right-hand side, and then this is the solver. This is time span. This is initial condition. So we are done. Now you can solve as many problems as you like from some numerical mathematics book. So you have to try dy by dt is equals to t square plus y square. Y at 0 is 1. You might try dy by dt is equals to sine of t plus y, y at 0 So you are not able to solve this through analytical method. You see, this is some non-linear function. Sin t plus y, this is in argument.
Yes, sir.
तो अब आपको न्यूमेरिकल स्कीम्स ही चाहिए, तो ये आप दो प्रॉब्लम
जी।
जरा ट्राई कीजिएगा. Okay, one good thing about these solvers is that they can solve higher order initial value problems as well. ये तो प्रॉब्लम था ही फर्स्ट ऑर्डर, अगर ये सेकंड ऑर्डर इनिशियल वैल्यू प्रॉब्लम होता, then again we can apply this ODE45 solver. But उसमें पहले क्या करना पड़ेगा? Let me give you the theory and then we will be coming back towards this MATLAB.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah.
सर नमाज के लिए टाइम देंगे?
For higher order initial value problems. Okay, let us have a break of 15 minutes for prayer and then we'll be right back. 6 o'clock पे आ जाइएगा, ठीक है जी?
जी सर.
Okay.